how to turn off new voicemail vibration or change vibration pattern on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, scroll down, then tap on New Voicemail, and then go to the top and select Haptics. Then, if you want to turn off vibration, simply select None, and this will turn off vibration for new voicemail. Now you still receive alerts, but your phone won't vibrate when you receive a new voicemail. Otherwise, if you want to change the vibration pattern, you can select one of the available vibration pattern from the standard list. So here we got accent, alert, heartbeat, quick, rapid, SOS, staccato, or symphony, or you can create a new vibration. So here, so by tapping on this blank area here, you are generating a burst of short or long vibration. And then you can tap on saved and give it a name. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.